Hello everyone, welcome to Paper2 and this is Yogesh Garg. In this video, we are going to discuss JEE Advanced 2015 Paper 2 question number 46. So what we have in this question, a function R2R, domain and codomain both are R, real numbers, and it is defined by greatest integer of x if x is less than equal to 2, and if x is greater than 2 then fx is equal to 0, where greatest integer x we know it is greatest integer less than or equal to x. So if I is equal to minus 1 to 2 x fx square upon 2 plus f of x plus 1 dx, then the value of 4I minus 1. Now how to go about this question? See, they are clearly saying that if x is greater than 2, if x is greater than 2 then fx is equal to 0. This is fx square. So we have to do it very cleverly, right? It is not a very simple question. We have to do it a little bit cleverly. That if x is behaving between minus 1 and 0, then what is the nature of fx square? If x is behaving between minus 0 and 1, then what is the nature of fx square? If x is behaving between 1 and 2, then what is the nature of fx square? So we have to split this expression. There is no other way out. We have to split this expression. Also, can we use the idea of that a plus b minus x? Will it be feasible of using the idea of 1 plus this 2 plus minus 1, that is 1 minus x over here? It's not feasible to that much extent. If you use this idea, it's not that feasible, a plus b minus x. So better is to break this expression. Break this expression into parts. Now how to break it? We know they are clearly saying x is less than or equal to 2, then it is greatest integer of x. So break it in this particular manner. Minus 1 to 0, right? And then it is x fx square upon 2 plus f of x plus 1. Then break it between 0 and 1, x fx square upon 2 plus f of x plus 1. Now what I will do between 1 and 2, I will break it into one more part, 1 to root 2, not 2. Why I am doing so, I will explain the next time. And last, between root 2, will it be last? No, it will not be. We have to break, see, if x is less than equal to 2, then it is greatest integer of x, right? X is less than equal to 2. So fx square, right? No, we need not to break it, because if x is less than 2, then fx square is equal to 0. So no issue. Write it that only 1 to 2. Now see what will happen. X square will lie between 1 and 4. So yeah, we have to. So I'm sorry, we have to break. We have to take it as 1 to root 2 and then root 2 to 2. This is we have to do. This is what we have to do. Fourth part, this particular integral will be 0. It is 0. Why I am saying so? Because if x is between root 2 and 2, x square will be between 2 and 4, and if x is greater than 4, if x is greater than 2, f of x is equal to 0. They are saying this, right? So this particular thing is 0. This is 0, so 0 into anything is equal to 0. Need not to solve this. Now think about this. What will happen with this? If x is between 1 and root 2, then 2 plus fx plus 1 will be between 2 and 1 plus root 2, right? See, if x is between 1 and root 2, then x plus 1 will be between 2 and 1 plus root 2. Thus, x is greater than 2. Input is greater than 2 in denominator. So this will be 0. So we can clearly write this as this. I am doing for third integral right now. 1 to root 2 x, also fx square will be, or x square will lie between 1 and 2. Anything between 1 and 2 is greatest integer of x. So this is x into greatest integer of x, and that too between 1 and 2, value of greatest integer of x is 1. So x into 1. In denominator we have 2 plus 0, so 2. So this is third integral. Fourth is 0, third is this. And this is very easy to evaluate. This is x square by 2 by 2. So this is x square by 4 between 1 and 2, and that will be equal to 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. So value of third integral is 1 by 4. Now our job is to evaluate the integral between minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. How to go about this? What to do? What should we do? See, for minus 1 to 0, x plus 1 will lie between 0 and 1, right? So it is between 0 and 1, greatest integer of x will be equal to 0. So this will be equal to 0. If x is between minus 1 and 0, x square will be between 0 and 1. If it is between 0 and 1, again greatest integer will be equal to 0. So this is also 0. Now 0 into anything is equal to 0, right? So this is also 0. Need not to solve. If x is between 0 and 1, x square will be between 0 and 1, right? If x square is between 0 and 1, greatest integer of your fx, greatest integer of fx will be equal to greatest integer of x, because if x is less than equal to 2, they are saying this, if x is less than equal to 2, then it is greatest integer of x. So this will be equal to greatest integer of x between 0 and 1, it will be equal to 0. So again 0 into anything, it will be equal to 0. So this is also finish 0, right? So our total output is equal to 1. I hope this was clear. I am doing it orally only because it has to be done orally, right? We need not to write these steps, but yes, we have to be careful while solving. If x, see, the input is between minus 1 and 0, x square will be between 0 and 1, and if it is between 0 and 1, fx is greatest integer of x. Greatest integer of x between 0 and 1 is equal to 0. So this is how we have to do this question. So first is eliminated, second is eliminated, fourth was eliminated, and from third we had 1 by 4. So output I is equal to 1 by 4. So we have finally I is equal to 1 by 4. But our answer is not 1 by 4. They are asking us the value of 4I minus 1, and that will be equal to 4 into 1 by 4 minus 1. 4 into 1 by 4 is 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this question, I would not say this question is very easy, obviously not. This question is good question. But what is the utility of discussing this question for right now with respect to mains examination? Can this sort of question appear in mains examination? With honesty, I would say not this, but exactly this sort of question is difficult with respect to mains. Not difficult, but a little bit lengthy. But again, considering the level of mains examination that is increasing year by year, we can expect this sort of question, or a variation in a little bit variation in the values. Maybe they will not be fx square, but that was the only way out to solve this question. For this fx square only, we had 2 times the whole integral was equal to 0, right? So that was the beauty of this question. So I would not say that this sort of question cannot appear in the mains examination. Can appear, but yeah, it is a little bit difficult with respect to mains, but it can appear. So I hope the video was clear to each and every one of you. So stay tuned, keep watching Gurukul, and in case if you have any doubt, please do comment. Till then, bye.